this song, the older members of the society may remember the term the American Wakes. And the American Wakes were a thing that went on in Ireland. I suppose it throws back to history to the time of 1945, 1947, the awful famine in Ireland. And the young people, the only possibility they would have had of earning any money at all or staying alive would be to emigrate to America. And they used to have a wee party in the house in the night before they went, and it was a sort of all enforced gaiety, because it really was a wake, because the likelihood of the old parents ever seeing their family again was very, very unlikely, because actually, well, for starters, they couldn't have afforded it, and for second, a lot of the time they didn't even make it to America, because they died and were buried at sea in horrendous voyages in the coffin ships. But this song actually recalls a very good friend of mine who's no longer with us, the late Jerry Anderson. And Jerry was very, very kind to me and used this song extensively on his radio program. And it's not a sad song, and in the other ways it is a very sad song, but it's a jaunty wee air to it, and that belies the fact that it's about a very, very serious thing. And the song's called Sailing Off to Yankee Land. All you young men, draw near now, hang your ear to the words I'm going to say. For I'm going to tell you that the people of Ireland are emigrating to America. Ah, yes indeed, they're emigrating. This poor country they can't stand. They're sailing ship, sailing away and sailing away to Yankee land. And the night before they're due for leaving, all the neighbours in the house do throng, for to take a farewell glass or otherwise to sing a song. And they dance all night till the early morning, each man cutting around the floor, till the mother she comes in, says, "Weep see our children to the door." And the father looks around the cabin, and he sees that he is all alone. Surely his poor heart's a breaking, his salt tears will melt a stone. Hurrah for the gallant sons of Erin, this poor country they can't stand. When they put their foot on board of a ship and they're sailing away to Yankee land. And the other day, as I went walking down the road I chanced to go, and I saw a crowd to me approach, and surely filled my heart with woe. For I saw the carriages and the coaches leaving, onwards, forwards to the train, and all the handkerchiefs were waving, bidding goodbye to Granuaile. Hurrah for the gallant sons of Erin, this poor country they can't stand. Well, they put their foot on board of a ship and are sailing away to Yankee land. And when they reach the New York harbor, friends will meet them with good cheer, saying, "How's our Ireland and how's she doing and how's she coming on this year?" She's the most distressed and woeful nation in this world that e'er was seen, for all their good first process serving in that little Isle of Green. Hurrah for the gallant sons of Erin, this poor country they can't stand. Well, they put their foot on board of a ship and are sailing away to Yankee land. Hurrah for the gallant sons of Erin, this poor country they can't stand. Well, they put their foot on board of a ship and are sailing away to Yankee land. Thanks very much. Thank you.